Well, here we are, another day, another adventure. It's been raining a lot lately, so we're going to stick to the roads today because everything's pretty muddy. Glad you came back. So today's plan, just drive around places we haven't been. See what we can discover. And I'll take you along with me. So you and I, let's go. Let's ride. Very nice house. Well, today our first discovery is a rabbit. And here we are, Lake Gentry. Another little rabbit. I've never been here before, so let's walk down and see what this lake looks like. Sorry to scare you.
It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing.
And of course, here we are with the 2022 Honda Africa Twin CRF 1100 L DCT. Well, there's a public boat ramp down here, so there's got to be some kind of water. Let's check it out. Okay, just a canal. Never know till you try. Looks like we got a pretty good flow in this canal. Sandhill Crane just down there. Water's dark. There's one big staghorn fern right there. Pretty one next to it too. Big lake back there, just can't get to it. Beautiful Sandhill Crane. Okay, that was a worthwhile stop. I got stung in the neck by a bee, and he wasn't leaving. I had to stop, take my coat off. The only spot he can get me is where he got me, right in the neck. Well, I don't see a way to get back there. That's Alligator Lake. A lot of rabbits in this area. family of turkeys. Interesting, Google told me to make a U-turn. Yeah, pretty smart. But before we actually go too far, let's check out this little pond. Here we are at Deseret Cattle Ranch again. It's everywhere. That bull's probably wondering what I'm doing here. I just came to look at the horses. Had to switch batteries. GoPro died. And it's a cool place to be. Not much traffic out here. Well, maybe now is a good time to talk about the Africa Twin. We got 5,900 miles on it. Went through one set of tires, absolutely no other troubles. Gave it 2 oil changes. But what would you expect from typical Honda reliability? It's been a very comfortable bike. If you've seen some of my videos, you know I like to go off-road, mostly fire roads and such. This time I went with a little different style of tire from the factory. The factory was pretty much a 90-10 tire, 90% on-road, 10% off. These are what you consider a 50-50 tire, 50 on, 50 off-road. They're from Mitas. They're the Mitas EO7 Plus. These happen to be the Dakar version, which are a little harder rubber, a little harder sidewalls, a little more puncture resistant. I feel a little bad for this particular Africa Twin, because with my riding abilities, it's never going to realize its potential. Well, here we are at the St. John's River. Lone Cabbage just behind me. Pretty popular stop. Pretty good place for airboaters. I've only ate there once. I found it to be quite good. And perhaps we'll try it again today. But first, we need to check out what's down this road. Yeah, pretty cardinal. Oh. Yeah, let's take a walk down here to see how much trouble we would be in.
From the back of your dad's red truck. No one thought I was gonna make it. No one believed I'd take the time for realizing my own dreams and taking care of you and me.
Yeah, this is the St. John's River.
We're always gonna make it.
River that goes all the way up to Jacksonville.
The time would take us to
Oddly enough, one of the few rivers that actually flow north.
could grow, but
And with the rain we've been having, I think we're going to skip this road.